Hey guys, my name's Tara. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I do a very glam smoky eye for a holiday party using glitter, using my Tati beauty palette. I have so much fun doing this. Go ahead and watch the video if you want to see how I got this look. Right, so apparently if you are recording on your phone and you get a phone call, it interrupts. So, taking my Tati beauty palette, you know, cut 15,000. And then I'm using Aura from my lash line to my brow bone to set my eye and to kind of help brighten up the colors that I go over top because I am doing the holiday glam look. So things can get dark really quick and out of control really quick. So just be patient and go in with a very light hand. Jumping into Soothe, I'm just going to kind of buff that all over as well into the crease as a transition. Sometimes when I do a smoky eye, I start from the bottom up. It just kind of depends on how I'm feeling. I'm not like a brush snob per se. I like to have a lot of brushes. That way I don't have to like clean them all the time. But I'm not like a huge brush snob. I feel like if you got a decent brush and a decent formula, you'll be all right. I think I'm gonna jump straight into Poet with a smaller brush and start kind of buffing that in. And I'm using this ColourPop E9 brush right here. Smeagol, hold on. Smeagol's home. He's such a chatty Cathy. All right, so again, dumping. Smeagol, why don't you get up here and get comfortable? Using a really light hand. And see how I just kind of tuck that into the center? That's because I don't want it, I have my base done already and I don't want it to get out of control on the outer edges, which can happen sometimes for myself. So I tuck that into the center and buff it out. And see how that just blends out? And I just put it like literally right in the center. All right, I'm gonna dump back into Soothe, our transition color, and just buff that again over. Always end up like Edward Scissor hands. I need to learn to just like set down the brush and not block. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take Poet and bring that all the way down onto my lid. This part, it's okay to be a little bit sloppy, I feel, because I'm gonna go over with some of these glitters anyways. So definitely if you're doing a full matte smoky eye, you wanna be a little bit precise, a lot of bit precise and really strategic. But when you're gonna be like kind of masking it with the glitter, do you? You do not need to be that strategic. Nobody should be looking that close anyways. Are you biting me? He's so cute. He's just, you know, I'm gonna bite you real quick. Alrighty. Also, if you're doing a smoky eye, go ahead, you know what, you can do your eye look first and then your base. Definitely recommend that, but for the sake of this video and just kind of wanting to get it done, I did my base already off camera. Like, Realty is like, these lights block out a lot of my mistakes, and I'm imagining other YouTubers, so just keep that in mind. Like, things look a little bit better with a bright light blocking out the mistakes. So don't feel intimidated and or like you're not as good or you're not, it's all about the lighting, literally blinding my bad mistakes, my poor choices in life, all that. Just blocks that shit out, right on out. I don't know, maybe you're looking at me thinking, well, you know what, actually it doesn't, you look like shit. That'd be funny too. Okay, so I am gonna go into a little bit of the memory row, and I think I'm gonna kind of bust into the matte and the sequin. Sometimes with blacks, what I do, so I've dapped in, I've tapped off, I'll do like a tester of like how much pigment I may end up getting onto my eye before I go in. It gives me an idea of what kind of a, how light of a hand to use. Her black is very, very pigmented. So I'm just putting a little bit on the outer edge here to darken that up. Very light hand, very, very light hand. And I am like tapping in very lightly. It's easier to add more than it is to take away. Just keep that in mind. Perfect. Okay. All right. I'm going to dump a little bit into the sequin. Actually, I'm going to go back and forth, I think, from the sequin and the metallic. Just to start like the glitter, because I want full holiday glitter eyes. And start real low with your darker colors. That way, in case like it can get out of control, you don't want to just go straight across that lid, because as you buff out, it spreads and disperses that color. And it may take that smoky eye to a level you did not want. I think let's just get into it. I want to use this color. I really want to use this Memory darker black. That is stunning, stunning. I've been excited to do a look with this color since I got the palette. That is so stunning. I mean, come on, Tati. Bless you. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, bless you. He's sneezing. That is pretty. All right, so gonna dip back into the black and the sequin. Don't step in that black. Oh, Lord. Very, very, very little fallout, which just amazes me, because there is like some kick up in this powder, which doesn't offend me. I just know to go very, very lightly, but very, very little fallout for the kick up, like kick up to fallout ratio. I don't know what brush to use. All right, I'm gonna use this little Luxie 249. It's a double-sided brush, just to buff out this edge. I'm actually gonna take that, since I dirtied up my brush with black, into a little bit more of the Poet, the berry cranberry color. And I try to blend that black out, and then like when I go in with a bigger brush, I try not to hit that black, because I don't want to bring that black up. I don't want it more up. I don't want a black eye. I want that deposited where I put it, buffed out the edges, and done for. It's not the look I'm going for. I'm not doing a full like black smoky eye. I'm doing more of a cranberry smoky eye. So just hitting over where I deposited more of the cranberry shade. So as you notice, I didn't fully bring in that color to the inner corner, and that's because I do like a brighter inner corner even when I do a smoky eye. Holiday parties usually in the evenings, so you can go heavy with makeup and nobody's really gonna notice, I guess. But for me, it's like, if I do full like dark there, sometimes it enhances the blue tones under my eyes, and that's just not the look I want. So now I have to pick what color I want in there, and I think I'm just gonna go with a gold because it's Christmas, right? We're gonna go in with the Soothe right here and tap that right into the very inner corner. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna take some Soothe. I really like a grungy under eye. To be like completely transparent, it really helps hide like the creasing that I get because I'm 35 and life hits you fast. I could cry over that. Okay, so I'm gonna dip into Poet, our cranberry tone, using this same brush. Just really, really connecting that. I'm not gonna put any black underneath. You can, totally your call. As of right now, I may change my mind. All right, so that's the look so far. I'm gonna pop on my lashes and I'll be right back. All right, so the lashes are on. I'll still need to add mascara and pinch them together using, again, my Lilly lashes because you know what? They have grown on me. I love them. They are so big and fun. While those are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mix Soothe and Aura in the metallics and just kind of put that into my inner corner for a highlight. And I'm gonna take this little brush that I've been dusting away like the excess. I'm gonna take a little bit of my setting powder here. I'm just using the RCMA setting powder. I'm using a Do Your foundation, which gives me this natural glow, and I want my focus on the eyes, so I'm not gonna do a highlight on my face today. So I'm gonna pop some of this Modster, like a berry tone, into my waterline. Black would look good as well. I'm just having fun today, doing something a little different, just playing around. All right, so I'm gonna pop on some lips. Today I'm gonna be using, and a red lip would look great, and I think the night of a holiday party I might even go in with that. I don't know. The upkeep of a red lip is kind of discouraging for me to go out in, but I can't find my red lipstick along with everything. Why do I lose everything? I have one red lipstick. I can't find it. So I'm gonna use Varsity by Lime Crime. Today it's almost like a nude, muted berry tone. I think it'll look pretty cute. So let me get that going. That shows up a lot more orange on camera. Well done. Okay, so the lip is showing up a little bit more on camera, but it looks great in person, so I'm just gonna leave it. I was gonna go switch it out, but I don't know. I don't see a need to. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you really like it. I hope it gives you some ideas what to do for your holiday party or even the holidays. I don't know. Have fun with makeup. Just enjoy it. Thank you for being here. Please like, please subscribe. It really helps me out. Lets me know that you like what I'm putting out and whatnot. Go ahead and comment down below if you would like to, or if you have any ideas of anything you want me to film. I know a lot of my friends watch this. If you're looking or interested in anything, let me know down below. Thank you. Bye.